In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate payments on Stripe. If you've recently set up your online business or updated your website and need to start accepting payments, Stripe is a fantastic platform to use. It's known for its reliability and ease of integration, and today we'll walk through the process of activating payments in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Stripe website at stripe.com. This is your gateway to managing payments efficiently and seamlessly. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button, which you'll find at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login page. Now, on the login page, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Be sure to double check these details to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it right there on the page. Once you've entered the correct credentials, click on the sign in button to proceed. Upon logging in successfully, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard's home page. This dashboard gives you an overview of your transactions, analytics, reports, and more. From here, our focus will be on the settings to activate those payments. Next, navigate to the settings section. You can find this option usually towards the bottom of the side menu or as a gear icon depending on your dashboard layout. Click on settings and this will open up a range of configuration options for your Stripe account. Once you're in the settings, locate product settings. This section is crucial for managing what your Stripe can do, including handling payments. Scroll through your options until you find the payments section. Click on the payments option. This is where you'll manage your payment methods and configurations. Within this section there's an option labeled payment methods. Let's go ahead and click on that as well. Now you're in the final steps. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods that you can enable for your account. Depending on your country and currency, some options might already be enabled by default, while others need manual activation. Look through the list and decide which payment methods you'd like to enable, such as credit cards, bank transfers, or digital wallets. Simply select the desired options to enable them, and there you have it, you've successfully activated payments on Stripe. With these payment methods enabled, you're all set to start processing payments from your customers.